My name is Carla Adams and I'm the curator of Fold, Stitch and Staple, an exhibition of DIY publications from artists Marijke McDonald, Danni McGrath, Joanne Richardson, Natalie, Blom and myself. The first thing that you should know about zines is that the word is short for magazine and therefore it's pronounced zine and not zine, as I often hear. Zines have been around for almost 100 years, but it wasn't until the 70s when photocopy shops made zines even more attractive to counterculture and punk movements due to the ease of production and circulation of political ideas. At the very heart of zine culture is a DIY methodology. Distributing art does not necessarily require a gallery and wine and openings and a nice dress. You can actually just make your weird little ideas into small books, and those small books with weird ideas might sit alongside your artistic practice as kind of an additional work that contextualizes and builds upon your ideas, or they might be your entire practice, whole bodies of work that exist in between a folded bit of 300 GSM off-white card. And they might just be something that you make sometimes for fun. Perth has a really large and vibrant zine culture, and I was very happy to have the opportunity to showcase the work of just 5 of us.